Hello guys, my name is Mohammed Naveed, and in this lecture I will teach you more on forms. As you remember, in the last lecture we learned how to design a form, and in this lecture we will learn more on forms. So the first thing we will learn that is how to change a logo. As you can see that it is showing me a logo, but let's suppose if I want to show my company logo. So what I do, I will go and click on logo, and as I click, it is asking me the location of my logo. So definitely I will go in the pictures and wherever my logo will be, and for example this is my logo, and when I get the logo I will click on OK, and as you can see that is showing me the logo. But as you know that this was just the Windows picture, so therefore it will just show me you can say an ordinary picture. But let's suppose whenever you want to show your logo, so you can use this way. The next thing is title. What is mean by title? As you can see that it's showing me naveedplace.com, and if I want to give a title, so what I do, I will click on title, and here I am able to type any title I want. For example sheet or anything. Then we have date and time. Let's suppose if you want to show date and time to your user, so how will you show this? Definitely you need to click on date and time. As you click, it will ask from you what kind of format do you want. The first is Wednesday. It will show the, you can say whole, you can say in this way it will show the date. For example, if you want to show the date in number and like this, so definitely you can click on one of this. For example, if you want to take the time like this, it's totally up to you. If you want to take the time, for example 13, 20, 27 or 127 or whatever you want. So when you complete your, you can say your format, you say okay, this is fine for me, this format is fine for me, then okay, then click on OK, and as you can see that it is showing us you can say a formula, but still it is not showing us the date and time. In order to see a time or date, I will click on view and then click on form view. As I click on form view, as you can see they are showing me the date and time on which format I selected. So in this way you can show logo, title, date and time. Now we will go for the most important thing in MsAccess, that is add existing field. What does it mean by that? For example, I made this form and someone is coming to me and saying to me, sir, you made this form, but I want to add one more field. How can I do this? Or will I have to create my old table and form from the beginning? No. In order to put one more field, for example, as you can see that we have ID, names, course and paid. If you want to add one more field, so what I do, I will go and click on table, and as you can see they are showing me a table. I will again right click and click on design view, and first I off this, then it will be easy for you to see, and then I will go, and as you can see that, for example, if I want to add one more column, for example salary, and definitely salary will be number, and double click, and as you can see that is showing me one more column, that is the extra column, that is salary. We had ID, names, course, paid, but we didn't have salary column. So as you can see that now we have added one new column. Now if I click on form, but as you can see that still is showing us 4 columns, or we can say 4 field. First is ID, second is name, course and paid, but it's not showing us the new field which is salary. So how to add a new field? In order to add a new field, I will click on view, and then I will go in design view, and then I will go in the menu and click on add existing field. As I click, it will show me that what field do you want. For example, we have ID, names, course, paid, but we do not have salary. So what I do, I just simply click and drag, and I will keep it here, and as you can see that now we have one more field with the name of salary. And when I complete this, I will go and click on form view, and as you can see that now we have one more field, one new field, that is salary. So in this way you can add one more, or you can say new field in your MsAccess form. So this was all about logo, title, date and time, and add agency field. I hope you enjoy and learn. In the next lecture I will teach you more about form. So till then, Allah Hafiz, fi aman Allah. Allah Hafiz.